100 Ways to Make Money from Home for Single Moms. Ladies, there are so many opportunities out here for you. We here at Single Moms want to match you up with the right opportunity. Regardless of whether you're looking for full-time income or just some extra money on the side, there are plenty of ways to make money while working from home. There are many benefits to making money from home, such as having the flexibility to make your schedule and enjoy a strong work-life balance. Here are ideas for how to make money at home and can help you determine which you're most interested in pursuing. In this video, we will discuss 100 ideas on how to make money at home. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative services to clients from a remote location, such as a home office. Virtual assistants handle a variety of different responsibilities for their clients, including making travel plans, performing online research, and checking emails. Pet sitting. If you enjoy animals, then you may want to consider pet sitting. This is a good way to earn money directly from your own home. You will need to invest in marketing and commercial insurance. You may also want to speak with an accountant or bookkeeper as well as a lawyer to discuss liability. 2. Sell your items online. Survey your home and look for items that you no longer use. You can then list those items on different e-commerce sites to find buyers. To get the best sales, it's important to take clear, high-resolution photos of your pieces. Perform research online to find how much similar items are being sold for and then price your items competitively. 3. Tutor students online. Leverage your experience in specific subjects or your SAT or ACT knowledge to offer online tutoring to students. Promote your services in area schools and find students who require your services. You can only apply to work for established online tutoring services. 4. Start a blog. If there's a topic that you're particularly interested in, you could start a blog and promote it on social media to attract an audience who wants to learn about that topic. If you draw a large enough audience with your blog, you can make money from advertising. 5. Sell services online. There are lots of online sites where specialists can offer their services on a contract or per project basis. Some different types of services you could offer are graphic design, website design, link building, programming, animation, or video creation. 6. Create sales funnels. Many businesses use automated sales funnels to promote and sell their products and services. That said, many other business owners are unaware of how sales funnels could help grow their business. Consider starting your own business selling sales funnels. There are a lot of tools you could use to build them at a low cost. 7. Sell consulting services. Another way to make money online while working from home is through consulting. If you're particularly skilled in a certain field, you may be able to find people who would pay you to offer them advice on their business or personal goals. One way to show others how much knowledge you have to offer is to launch and promote your blog. You can use social media to promote your content at a low cost or even for free. After gaining a few clients, you may be able to rapidly grow your business through word-of-mouth marketing. You can meet with clients virtually and schedule those appointments at times that meet your own needs. 8. Launch an online store. E-commerce is very popular right now. While major e-commerce retailers have the majority of the market share, consumers are also looking for great deals online. Consider launching a sales funnel for yourself to drive traffic and buyers to your products and services. 10. Sell your expertise by offering webinars. Webinars are a great way to sell your products, as they are highly effective and follow a specific format and template. Once you learn how to deliver effective webinars, you can achieve great success in this space, delivering enormous value for your attendees and demonstrating how much additional value they would receive if they purchased your product or service. 11. Manage the social media accounts of small businesses. Small businesses often need help managing their social media profiles, and many prefer to pay someone to help for only a few hours per week, as opposed to having someone managing social media full-time. Learn about the different social media sites and identify one or two that you want to specialize in. Then identify a specific industry that you want to work in. Finally, reach out to different businesses in your area who you recognize you can most help. 12. Create online courses. If you have a marketable skill that others would be interested in mastering for themselves, then consider making your online course. There are many sites that you can use to build your course. However, once it's created and launched, online courses can be a great source of passive income. 13. Affiliate marketing offers. Affiliate marketing is an easy way to earn income by selling the products and services that other people create, particularly if you have a website with a large amount of quality traffic already. There are several websites available that promote affiliate offers. Take the time to understand your audience and what they're most interested in, and then search to identify the right offer and present it to your audience. 14. Launch a podcast. A podcast is another great method for sharing your expertise with an audience. The key to success with a podcast is to find a specific niche and then provide them with great content to grow your audience. Once you have built a large audience and are receiving a large number of downloads per episode, you can then look for ways to monetize your podcast, such as selling advertisements. While you may have to do some research to learn how to create, edit, and promote a podcast, if you are an expert on a particular topic, it's an idea that's worth considering. 15. Get a babysitting job. Babysitting is another great option for making money from home. Word-of-mouth referrals are a great way to get started babysitting, although there are also several websites that you can use to promote your babysitting services for free. To make yourself more appealing to families, you may want to consider getting relevant certifications, such as CPR certification. 16. Test websites. Another way to make money from home is by using sites that pay you for your insight into how well a specific website worked. In most cases, you have to pass a test to be accepted, and then you will be paid for each test you perform. You may even have the option of earning additional compensation to participate in a video discussion with the customer after completing the test. 17. Perform data entry. If you have quick and accurate typing skills, then you may want to consider taking an online data entry job. These positions can usually be performed easily online and can offer consistent income. 18. Work as a freelance writer. Companies are often aiming for high-quality content to boost their ranking in search engines. If you have strong writing skills, this may be a path that you want to consider. If you don't have an online portfolio with published writing already, you may want to consider offering to write a few pieces for free to build a portfolio. 19. Offer proofreading services. If you enjoy reading, you may want to consider a job as a freelance proofreader. Depending on whether you have a degree currently, you may want to consider investing in a proofreading course to earn credibility with potential clients. You could offer your services to independent clients or even search for companies hiring full-time proofreaders. 20. Rent out a room in your home. Listing a spare bedroom on a vacation rental website can provide easy income that you can make at home. It is important to spend time keeping your property and home clean. To ensure you maintain 100% occupancy, consider renting your home on multiple different sites. Make sure the rooms are fully furnished and include the cost of utilities and perhaps even breakfast in the rental price. You may also want to consider upgrading your internet service to offer the fastest possible internet speed. For here are other ideas that you may want to consider as you look for ways to make money at home. 21. Build and then monetize an online community through a membership or product sales. 22. Participate in online surveys. 23. Sign up for gift cards online. 24. Rate pizzas online. 25. Review products. 26. Create a website, generate traffic, and collect leads to sell to other companies or individuals. 27. Work for online retailers. 28. Earn commissions as an online travel agent. 29. Sell lesson plans. 30. Rent your clothes online. 31. Offer calligraphy services for wedding invitations, cards, and other stationery. 32. Play games online and compete for rewards. 33. Participate in an online focus group. 34. Sell your used books online. 35. Write and sell a book. 36. Sell social media posts or ads on social media accounts or a blog. 37. Evaluate search engines by performing searches, analyzing the results, and giving feedback to the search engines based on the relevance of the search results. 38. Create videos and earn money through advertising. 39. Offer at-home daycare. 40. Provide transcriptionist services. 41. Rent your music equipment or studio space, 42. Sell baked goods, 43. Rent your parking space, 44. Buy items from a flea market or yard sale, restore them, and sell them online, 45. Sell your old cell phone, 46. Shop online and earn cash for your purchases, 47. Sell your troubleshooting skills, 48. Sell your own photography on stock photo sites, 49. Fill out online surveys, 50. Start a dog walking business, 51. Launch a virtual bookkeeping business, 52. Offer political advocacy services, 53. Sell translation services on freelance platforms, 54. Sell your crafts online, 55. Obtain a remote technical support role, 56. Start an at-home alteration of custom sewing business, 57. Sell your unused space as storage space for people who want to pay less than the cost of a storage unit, 58. Rent out a room in your home, 59. Rent out your car to travelers or people who don't own their vehicle, 60. Rent your driveway, parking space, or street slot, 61. Sell your gently used clothing, 62. Trade in electronics for cash, 63. Sell unused gift cards, 64. Test mobile applications, 65. Become a social media influencer, 66. Sign up as an online mystery shopper, 67. Work virtually for a company, 68. Grow and sell your produce, 69. Become a voiceover artist, 70. Create your mobile application, 71. Teach online music lessons, 72. Design and sell t-shirts online, 73. Create video reviews, 74. Pursue a medical coding and billing position, 75. Manage a website, 76. Offer online or social media advertising services, 77. Offer search engine optimization services, 78. Start a mini salon in your home, 79. Invest in real estate, 80. Participate in online market research, 81. Create and sell woodworking projects, 82. Fix search engine mistakes, 83. Sell your junk mail, 84. Cook for special occasions, 85. Create an audiobook, 86. Get paid to exercise, 87. Perform meal preparation for others, 88. Create a dropshipping business, 89. Create and sell access to an online course, 90. Teach yoga online, 91. Online market trading, 92. Review music for money, 93. Sell your notes, 94. Buy and sell domain names, 95. Work as a charity collector, 96. Be an Instagram gram influencer, 97. Become a YouTuber, 98. Start a nanny business, 99. Become a nail tech, 100. Become a Uber driver. Thank you ladies again for your time and for watching this video. Please share and like. Toodles.